me, let's draw a big, friendly whale swimming in the ocean. Whales are the largest animals on Earth, and they love to splash and play in the water. Let's begin! For more creative fun, don't forget to check out our coloring books on Amazon. By searching for Pinky Art, you can find it. Together, let's enjoy some fun drawing. Observe how the whale's eyes opened. It likes to take in its surroundings. Perfect! Our whale drawing looks fantastic. Now, it's time to color. Bring our drawing to life with your favorite colors. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Yay! Our whale looks so friendly and playful. If you love coloring, check out my Pinky Art coloring books on Amazon. Keep practicing, keep having fun, and see you next time for another exciting drawing.